not here in the under-16. The jump results to first possession for Gilas Pilipinas. Antolin to a cutting Alyare. The bank shot is good. First bucket of the match. In this age division,
he plays with practically all of these guys. He is 3 days.
Type of offense. Vietnam will run. It's pretty much spread out. That is a tough three-point shot. It falls for Vietnam.
And that's
more pressure, but it's not a 1-2-2 or a 2-2-1 like what we've seen from the first 4 teams that saw action here today. Boy, hot start coming from Vietnam.
Triangle formation here.
4 pass there, turnover. And this will be a finish for Min An.
You gotta admire the way Vietnam is playing here. They're playing with some pace, they're forcing some turnovers. They're confident to take those outside.
For Vietnam. Alyare did not connect there with Cabañero. Quick attack, a layup, and an immediate timeout coming from Coach L.A. Tenorio.
Back to you, Cardon Mark.
But so far, so good for Vietnam. They are on the attack. They have not shied away from scoring on time. Bunch of opportunities there for Gilas Pilipinas. What a spin! Boy, a talented finish.
Vietnam playing with a lot of confidence here in the first quarter. Look at that move and over the outstretched arms of Pascual.
We are saying that yes, this is CP to Pascual. They swing it to Lumage. Strong drive. Lumage is a bully and he scores immediately.
I like that.
He plays big boy basketball, make no doubt about it. Tough competitor, a steal here for Pascual. Travis goes all the way
for the Philippines.
And immediately when the second unit came in, a counter-attack for Gilas Pilipinas. Lumage with a bucket, and then the steal, the run, and the layup from Travis Pascual.
This is your first time wearing a Gilas jersey for these kids.
And now that pressure leads to a turnover. Jello Lumage, bully ball.
This guy had pressure as well on the defensive end and tried to force some turnovers.
There it is, turnover. Lumage taps it loose. Carino skies, misses the layup. Rebound for Jello. They're dominating the rebounding department, and now it's all tied up.
So another turnover from Gilas.
Oh, good move. Could not complete it with a highlight layup as Cruz sends it forward. Travis. Great moves inside, and he scores again. Lumage. Down low to Ethan Tanchi. Good fake, the one-hander. Instant impact coming off the bench. Cruz on the attack. Squeezes his way through. Could not complete the play. Will score on the other side, though, with a putback. That's too much on the backcourt because they trust their half-court defense. Tanchi on the move. Great pass. Perfectly timed to Pascual. Of course, he will take it. Attracting the defense, dishing it off. After a spectacular start in this match, another turnover against them. Gilas on the run, and he is gone. The other Pascual. This is Shaw. Vietnam gets away with it. But this will be another stop here for Gilas Pilipinas. They're on the run again. The strong move, another bucket.
Now this is the time
when the bench comes in, this is where Gilas might separate themselves.
And I think that's our advantage in most youth tournaments. All of our youth teams really have talent from 1 to 12. What a nice thing said about Coach Tim Cone using the triangle, but it's really the defense where he is most successful at. Another three-pointer here from Pascual. And another. Travis Pascual had 11 points in the first quarter.
Oh boy, alley-oop play completed.
Look at this, nice inbound play from Coach L.A. Tenorio. Pascual to Pascual.
Ethan goes on the drive, and now Restivicar gets the N1.
Gab de los Reyes spotting Restificar, did not force the play, found his open teammate for that easy basket.
Biggest 39-22, another turnover. Hanging midair, binali pa ni Pascual.
Entertaining the crowd here in San Fernando. Once again, off a turnover, he gets an opportunity to showcase his talents in the open floor.
41-22, 19-point lead for Gilas Pilipinas, forcing this time out from Vietnam. Now setting up their defense, but they are quickly beaten by Aidan. He has produced.
And he has been very impressive attacking the basket.
Another N1 play for Jolo Pascual. Not him, it's the other.
14 for Travis, 13 for Jolo. 27 combined, more than the production of Vietnam right now.
Missing on the free throw. But the rebound stays with Gilas. They're coming up short, but they're getting multiple tries. Finally, Vietnam gets it. Oh, but they mishandle, leading to a bucket for Restificar. Oh, good drive. Coming from Min An. Oh, but they force another turnover. Halyare sets it up. Another layup for Travis Pascual. Just aggressive man-to-man defense coming from Gilas, forcing turnovers. But sometimes when you pressure up, when you're getting the results,
that's because you're loading up your defense to try and force some turnovers.
Miranda wide open and he converts a three. Hey, itong si Carino, he knows that he can bully his way against any defender.
And
but
also
a little too much there.
He's not getting a lot of touches, which is, of course, which will happen.
With a push, the big showing us a dribbling ability. And he will finish with a layup. He really, really wanted that one, Coach Mark.
That's correct. Struggling the first few possessions that he had a chance to make a basket.
Good pivot move. Does not result to a bucket. But Miranda, I think, was falling out of bounds. It leads to an N1 opportunity. The sky for that loose ball. Cruz open from the corner. Book it.
Excellent forward pass coming from CP to find the open shooter in Cruz.
Counter three works as well for Vietnam. That was Bui converting the Philippines. And this is Cruz converting on the corner pocket three ball. But there was a response from Vietnam. Of course, we're also talking about Samuel Somchi in Sacred Toring. And now a chance to finish strong. Halyare, layup is good. And that will seal the deal for Gilas Pilipinas in the first half of action. Yep, Vietnam looking for an opening. That's a corner three-point shot attempt. That is good for Min Kang.
We eased up the pressure a bit here.
Antolin studying the reaction of the defense. One-hander is good for Carino. That shot will be available for him all game long.
And that's something that he can really do. He has a very nice touch from about 10 to 15 feet.
Good pass up top. Antolin banks it home. To Antolin. Left alone at top. The pass inside. That was sweet from Antolin. Locating Caballero.
For that layup.
First bucket of the ball game for him. Three-point shot. Oh, that's another one coming from Min Kang. Getting hot from downtown with a couple of threes here in the third quarter. But this is really part of the skill book.
Yep.
Of Prince Carino. End of the second period. As Caballero, just the aggression, going all out.
And that's what he's known for. This guy is really a legit slasher. So 4 fouls now on Antolin, and that will mean Lumage checking back in for him. Nice slashing move.
Coming from their center. As the stop is completed by the Philippines. Jolo Pascual leaves it for Halyare. Easy two inside.
I like that extra pass coming from Pascual. I thought he could have taken that layup.
To Min Kang.
I like this lineup from Gilas because you have a lot of size here when you put Travis Pascual at the
Gilas
point.
Pilipinas. A steal here for Ethan Tanchi. Sends it forward to Travis Pascual, and he is a threat on the break. Oh, what a move from Ethan Tanchi, going up and under. Now Ethan again employing their zone offense. Another finish for Lumage.
And I like that because ended well by Ethan Tanchi. Here comes Travis.
De Los Reyes inside, gathers and converts the N1.
This is where Ethan Tanchi really helps this team a lot. Travis gives it to him, doesn't force the shot, gives it to the big man, Gab De Los Reyes, for that strong finish.
Comes up short, Lumage. Second effort, still nothing there. But they will get another attempt. Cruz tight inside, gets two. Lumage dribbles it off his own foot, leading to the turnover. Numbers for Vietnam, and they get a fast break too.
And that's where we really struggled. When we turn the ball over, that's when and become better basketball players.
CP Miranda with a takeaway. The two guards running. Ethan Tanchi scoring.
Well played there between Ethan Tanchi and CP Miranda.
Tenacity of the defense. Basically getting that stop for Gilas. Cruz is ahead, and he will complete the layup. And Vietnam. And this is the first of 5 preliminary round games for Gilas Pilipinas. Everyone else will be the ranking. Number 1 versus number 2 for the championship. 3 versus 4 for the final spot in the FIBA Asia Cup. And then 5 versus 6 for classification on May 30. So we were firing on all cylinders. They were confident. They were hyped up. But the quality of the Gilas Pilipinas really catching up and then leaving them behind completely in the second quarter. And that's an easy bucket for Restificar inside.
And anytime you get your 2 big men, the coach happy.
Another stop, this time for Cruz, goes behind the back. Sets up his teammate De Los Reyes, another bucket. The higher limits, but just as skilled as some of these players, as Antolin scores again.
I mean, a couple of those players who did not make the final 12.
Carino wanting to show us the moves, the soft touch, good for 2.
And now you're seeing him to be more comfortable on the floor as compared to the first quarter.
Could have been a defensive mistake there coming from Carino. San Fernando. Ball recovery coming from Vietnam. It will not last long. Caballero all the way. With a giveaway, but Caballero takes it right back.
Nice pass.
Lumage with a layup. Very nice pass coming from Jello Lumage. There's also a basket on the other side for Vietnam.
Vietnam has really shown us some glimpses here of the talent level that they have. So really a bright future as well for this Vietnam youth team.
High-low. Was played to perfection by those 2 bigs.
Tight.
So last minute of action before we wrap up the first day of competitions here. Again, we play 2 more days straight after this. And then we take a 1-day break before we play 3 straight games. Any more shots? I'm sure Coach L.A. Tenorio will just at this very moment, breathe as he is successful and victorious in his first game as a head coach for Gilas Pilipinas Youth.
What a moment here for L.A. Tenorio. I mean, remarkable playing career. Gets his first win as head coach of Gilas Youth.
Appreciative crowd here at the city of San Fernando, Pampanga, celebrating this maiden win for Gilas Pilipinas under 16 men. 113-62 is your final score.